Back again with your English books buzzword. We were doing chapter number 3, Papaya's Adventure. I told you that Papaya is a cat. In this page we read that, क्या पढ़ा था हमने कल? I told you that Papaya is a cat and she was named Papaya because उसका name Papaya क्यों लिखा था? She was fond of papayas. She was a kitten. She jumped on the dining table and she started eating papaya. She found it very funny, fat. That's why. So her name was kept as Papaya. And another thing which they found was that the cat was fond of traveling. When they were traveling, she was kept in a closed basket ताकि वो डर के भाग ना जाए. Let's read further. Page number 34. From here, second pair. Look at the funny little boats with cushions and curtains, said Neera excitedly. So where they have reached now? वो लोग कहाँ जा रहे थे? Kashmir. They have reached Kashmir. And in Kashmir you have seen boats, houseboats. So they were finding very excited because they saw little boats with cushions and curtains. Those are shikaras, little water taxis, said father. Then father told कि वो क्या है? Shikaras हैं. Wow, there's one going by full of flowers, said Nirin. आपने देखा है हम जैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए टैक्सी यूज करते हैं, वहां पे उन्हें वाटर टैक्सीज बोलते हैं, लिटिल वाटर टैक्सीज, शिकारास. उसमें बैठ के लोग फ्रूट्स भी सेल करते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स भी करते हैं, फ्लावर्स भी होते हैं एंड अदर थिंग्स. एंड देयर गोज वन विद वेजिटेबल्स, एडेड नीरा. अब नीरा एंड निरिन दे वर वेरी एक्साइटेड, बहुत एक्साइटेड फील करते. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें अलग अलग शिकारास मिल रही थी, फ्लावर्स से भरी हुई, देन वेजिटेबल्स वाली. ओह, विच इज आवर हाउस बोट? आस्क्ड नीरा इम्पेशेंटली. नीरा आस्क्ड कि हमारी कौन सी हाउस बोट है? See if you can spot the star of Kashmir, replied mother. That one. The one with pink curtains, the one with flower pots, Neera said, pointing to a large houseboat in front of them. Then Neera said, yes, I got it. There was a beautiful houseboat with pink curtains, flower pots. So Neera said that this is our houseboat. My goodness. Look at the water lilies. Mother, have you ever seen such enormous means huge, lilies? Nirin said, surprised. They were having fun all by themselves and poor Papaya was not even allowed a peep. Kyun? Because Papaya was kept in the basket. And everybody was enjoying the view of Kashmir. They were liking the houseboat, but Papaya was inside the basket. So, as soon as the lid of the basket was opened, Papaya sprang out with an angry meow. Now what happened? Papaya was angry. वो बहुत देर तक basket में थी. She opened the lid and she jumped out of the basket and she was very angry. कैसे पता चला she was angry? The sound which she took out, meow, they came to know that she is angry. She's all right, Neera cried, picking her up and squeezing her. Let her down, said mother. She wants to look around. At first sight, the houseboat seemed to be a little wooden house to which they had brought her. Pink curtains, flapped in the breeze at the windows, and the long leaves of a willow tree swayed outside. There were pots of flowers on the balcony, patterned rugs, rugs means carpets, on the floor, a room stuffed with sofa, calendars, magazines, and wooden knick-knacks. Knick-knacks means small decorative items, छोटे-छोटे decorative items. It looked pretty and comfortable. Papaya hopped up on the windowsill and then froze. Slowly, her back arched, means see this back arched curve. All her hair stood on end. Hair stood on end means जैसे हम डर के कभी हमारे हेयर देखा है गूज बम्स आ जाते हैं, करंट अगर लग जाता है तो कैसे हमें शॉक से हमारे हेयर पूरे खड़े हो जाते हैं सीधे सीधे स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट. So kind of. And her eyes grew large and black with horror at what she saw. Now, what happens? Papaya was inside the basket, but when she came out, she saw the little houseboat. Yes, where was she? She was around the. कहाँ थी वो? उसने अपने आप को देखा कि वो हाउस बोट के अंदर थी. उसने वो पिंक कर्टन्स देखे हिलते हुए, एंड उसको बाहर क्या दिख रहा था? डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ट्रीज दिख रही थी, फ्लावर पॉट्स उसे बालकनी में दिख रहे थे, स्मॉल पैटर्न रग दिख रही थी उसे रूम में, और उसे देख के वो डर जाती है. जैसे वो विंडो सिल पे आती है, हमारी तरफ क्या दिखती है? वाटर, एंड शी वाज स्कैर्ड. All around the house there was nothing but a sheet of water. क्या था उसके हाउस के चारों तरफ? Water. Because the house was houseboat. With a cry, she sprang down and raced away till she was in a dark corner of the sideboard. और she jumps और वो छुप जाती है एक कॉर्नर में जाके. Then she heard everyone laughed. और वो they had tricked her. और सब लोगों ने उसे क्या किया? फूल बना दिया. Cheated, everybody cheated. How? उसको बिना बताए उसको एक छोटी सी बास्केट के अंदर वो लेके आ जाते हैं, और उसे पता ही चलता. जब वो अपनी आई ओपन कर क्या देखती है वो? कि वो एक हाउस बोट में होती है और सारी तरफ पानी पानी होता है. Reading of the chapter again. Okay, read this chapter, underline the difficult words which you find, look into the dictionary. After this, मैं इसके साथ attach कर रही हूँ new words. आप वो new words अपनी notebook में करेंगे. Clear? Here are the new words and give meanings of the following words. Question number 1 you will be doing in English practice notebook. Read the chapter carefully and then write the summary in your own words. Again you have to read the chapter और इसकी summary आपको English practice notebook में लिखनी है. Question number 2 and 3 ये आप अपनी English literature notebook में करेंगे. New words. A. Tabby. B. Jolted. C. Straightening. D. Shikara. E. Impatiently. F. Enormous. G. Squeezing. H. Tricked. I. Arched. J. Whiskers. Then on a new page, one side you will write word and on the right side you will write meanings. Draw a line in between. A. Beloved. The meaning is greatly loved. B. jolted means moved suddenly or roughly. C. Knick-knack. Knick-knack means small decorative objects. D. Arched. Arched means curved. E. Horror. Horror means great fear. F. Tricked. Tricked means cheated or fooled. Now you complete these two things in your literature notebook.